It's Storytime Sunshine. Books read out loud.
Grandma's house has so many cool books. This is one of them. Hand, Fingers, Thumb by Perkins and illustrated by Eric Gurney. Do you see that monkey? Ooh, ooh, hee, hee. Can you say ooh, ooh, hee, hee? Oh, pretty good. Look at all those hands. This is written in 1969. Hand, fingers, thumb. Hand, fingers, thumb. Can you make your hand look like that? Hand, fingers, thumb. Can you point to your hand? Yeah, that's his finger. His fingers are pointing to his other finger. Oh, your hand looks good right there. One thumb, drumming on a drum. Bum, 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 bum. Is that what it would sound like? One hand, two hands drumming on a drum. Dum, diddy, dum, dum, dum. Rings on fingers, rings on thumb. Drum, 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 drum. Ooh, that's fun. Monkeys drum and monkeys hum. Hum, drum, hum, drum, hum. What was that? Can you say hum? Hum. Very good. They look really happy. Hand picking an apple. Can you see it? Hand picking a plum. Dum diddy dum dum dum. Monkeys come and monkeys go. Hands with handkerchiefs. Blow, blow, blow. Can you make a blowing sound? Hello, Jack. Hello, Jake. Shake hands, shake, shake, shake. Bye-bye, Jake. Bye-bye, Jack. Dum-diddy, whack, whack, whack. Hands play banjos, strum, strum, strum. Hands play fiddles, zum, zum, zum. Can you make a zum sound? Zum, 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 zum. Dum-diddy, dum, dum, dum. Hand in hand, more monkeys come. Ooh, that's a lot of monkeys. Many more fingers, many more thumbs, many more monkeys, many more drums. Ooh, they're all coming. Millions of fingers, millions of thumbs, millions of monkeys drumming on drums. Look at all of them. Look at all the way back there. Monkeys, monkeys, monkeys. And drums, 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 and fingers and thumbs. Dum-diddy, dum, dum, dum. Let's do that again. Dum-diddy, dum, dum, dum. One more time. Dum-diddy, dum, dum, dum. Dum-diddy, dum, dum. Monkeys, monkeys, monkeys. Monkeys, monkeys, monkeys. Oh, that was a lot of fun. Thanks for reading that with me.